Is it true that the guru has an intuition of who his disciple will be? No, they say when you are ready, the guru comes.
Yeah, to say that the guru has an intuition who the disciple is to be is it's an understatement. I think a great teacher knows exactly where. In fact, I think a highly advanced guru knows exactly where his disciple is. More than having intuition, he knows where to find his disciple. In fact, I also feel that if one is very sincere in one's aspiration, where one has no interest other than to find the truth. Take the Kathopanishad. There is a character there called Nachiketas. Wonderful character. Real sadhana should be like that. Nachiketas, his father is performing the yajna. After the yajna, this is from the Kathopanishad. After the yajna, he is giving away all kinds of lame and blind and wingless cows as gifts to the Brahmanas who have come to perform the yajna. This little boy, Nachiketas, is watching this. Suddenly, intelligence, in fact, the Upanishad says, Shraddha entered into him. There was an inkling of intelligence. And he says, what is this, father, that you are giving away cows which are so lame and blind to these people who have come? Second-hand goods. We are doing a lot of seva. What are we doing? All useless things we are giving away. Say, what is the meaning of this? If you want to give something as a sacrifice and you are aiming to reach the world of immortality, you should give away what is dear to you, not something which are useless. So, I am your only son. I am your dearest possession. Who will you give me? This is the question. He repeats it a few times and the father says, in exasperation, not being able to answer the question properly, I give you away to tell it. So he goes, it's a nice story there how he goes to Yama's place. And Yama, not knowing the surprise is gone to look for other souls. So 3 days he waits in Yama's waiting room. No food, no water, nothing. Yama comes back and apologizes profusely. He said, this great soul, son of a pure rishi, with such a wonderful face, looking for the truth, is sitting here. I have not given him food or water to drink, which is a triple thing. Atiti Devo Bhava, we cannot treat guests like this. And that too a great brahmachari seeking the truth. So, as a compensation, he says, ask me for 3 boons, I will give them. So there are 1 or 2 boons in the beginning. One he says, when I go back, may my father recognize me. And that's it. The second he says that, teach me about that method by which one attains heaven, immortality. And Nachiketas is taught that internal sacrifice, and that sacrifice is also named as Nachiketas. The third one he asks, when you die, people say, some say you exist, some say you do not exist. This is the thing that is going on even today. 2000 years ago, the same question. Some say you exist, some say you do not exist. Is there some way to go across death? Is there a way to immortality? Please tell me this. You must be knowing the truth. You are the Lord of death. Who else can answer this question? Now why I am saying this is, sincere seeker, like Nachiketas. Yama says, now this is a very difficult question. Please don't ask me. Ask me anything else. I will give you wealth. I will give you monarchy of the 3 worlds. I will give you dancing girls and elephants to travel, and musicians. I will give you everything that you want. Only this question to please to a guru and say, please bless me and all, please give me, he says, okay, you take the Mercedes Benz. He'll probably drive it and get out. He will not go for any spiritual understanding. So that is of not much value. Here is Nachiketas who is saying, no, I have no interest in anything else. I only want the truth. You keep your BMWs, you keep your dance and song. I don't want that. I want only the truth. Now such people, such aspirants in the Upanishads are called Satya Kamas. One whose only Kama desire is for Satya. When there is such an aspirant, whose only thing is to find the absolute truth and is not interested in anything and cannot be tempted away from it, then I think the Guru automatically comes. Because it's not as if there aren't great spiritual teachers. There are. Some of them may be so silent that you won't know that they exist. For every known spiritual teacher, I think there are many unknown ones who will be greater than them. But the aspirants, now there are more gurus than disciples. What do you do? I believe somebody went to a teacher and said, sir, I want to become your disciple. So what am I supposed to do for you? He said, you have to do this, you have to do Swadhyaya, study or something. Bring water, clean the cookie. There are much things to do. He said, then what does it require to become a guru? He said, nothing, you can sit and bless. He said, please make me the guru. That is the correct. So, if the aspirant is serious, then I think the guru will come, right? It has been said that